Deep within the heart of the rainforest, amidst a symphony of life, resides a creature of unparalleled beauty, the Resplendent Quetzal. A jewel amongst the emerald tapestry, its iridescent plumage shimmers with hues of emerald, sapphire, and crimson. Revered by ancient civilizations as a sacred messenger, the Quetzal embodies the very spirit of the rainforest. Its vibrant colors, a testament to the forest's rich biodiversity, make it a symbol of hope and resilience. But this paradise is under threat. The Quetzal's home, like many rainforests across the globe, faces increasing dangers, including deforestation and the growing threat of devastating wildfires. A raging wildfire, fueled by dry conditions and rising temperatures, sweeps through the rainforest, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The air is thick with smoke, and the once vibrant ecosystem is engulfed in flames. The Quetzal, though resilient, faces a desperate struggle for survival. Its habitat, its source of food, its very home, is being consumed by the inferno. The urgency of conservation has never been greater. Protecting the Quetzal means protecting its habitat, and acting now is crucial to ensure its future. With instinct as its guide, the Quetzal takes to the skies. Its powerful wings propel it through the dense smoke and falling embers, a beacon of hope amidst the chaos. These magnificent birds possess an extraordinary ability to fly long distances, a crucial skill in times of crisis. The Quetzal must find refuge, a safe haven away from the encroaching flames. The journey is perilous, but the Quetzal's survival depends on its unwavering determination. Slowly, miraculously, the rainforest begins to heal. Life returns, tentatively, at first as nature's inherent resilience takes hold. Conservation efforts play a vital role in this recovery. Scientists and volunteers work tirelessly to restore the damaged ecosystem, planting trees and monitoring the Quetzal population. The Quetzal, a symbol of hope, begins to repopulate its home. Its presence is a testament to the rainforest's enduring spirit and the power of conservation. Quetzal's story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. We all have a role to play in protecting these precious ecosystems. Support. Organizations dedicated to rainforest conservation. Educate yourself and others about the importance of these vital habitats. Make conscious choices that reduce your impact on the environment. Let the Quetzal's daring escape inspire us all to become stewards of the natural world. Together, we can ensure that future generations can witness the splendor of the rainforest and the magic of its jewels.